Okay, so far we have a lot of things in our toolbox. We know how to use if-else conditions. We know how to use while loop or for loop. We know how to use break statement or continue statement as well. And obviously we know the data types and everything, right? So let's test our knowledge and let's include all of these things into this mini project, right? Cool. So this project is called a game that we want to develop. A name of that game is Guess the Number. Obviously, it is not going to be a very hi-fi game, but believe me, it is going to be an interesting game. Okay, so the game says there will be a number, an original number. Let's say that original number is 45 for now. This original number can be between 0 and 100. There is a way in Python to generate this original number on random basis as well in secrecy, right? So let's assume this original number, we don't know what is this original number. Let's assume, okay? So we don't know what is this original number and we want to guess what is this number, okay? So we will take input from the user and we will ask, what do you think, what is the number? So for example, user will say, since it is between 0 to 100, so maybe 90, what do you think, what it is? If user enters 90 or 10 or 20 or whatever, we have three things to do. If the entered number is greater than the original number, then we should print your entered number is greater than the original number, right? This is one possibility. If user enters 90, original number is 45, then it should say your entered number is greater than the original number. Okay? It is a hint. So that next time user guesses a number lesser than 90. On the other hand, if user enters 10, so we should say your entered number 10 is smaller than the original number, which is 45. Obviously, we will not tell what is the original number, but we'll only say your entered number is smaller than the original number. Okay. And the final possibility is equal. If entered number is equal to the original number, then we will stop the flow and we will stop the program, which means that the loop will be broken and we'll say, hey, you win the game. That's it. Okay. So if entered number is not same, then again ask for the number. If it is greater or smaller, again ask for the number. But if entered number is same, then user wins and game ends, right? User can guess the number for 10 times. Well, you can change it for 10 times or 5 times or whatever. That is up to you. I would suggest if the range is from 0 to 100, then it should be 10 times. If the range is from 0 to 50, then it should be 5 times, and so on and so forth. And finally, for every time, for every iteration, we should print how many tries are left. For example, for the first time, I say 90, then I say 20, then I say 10. So I exhausted my 3 tries. So only 7 tries are left. So for every iteration, it should mention that these many tries are left, right? So I hope you understood the game. This original number is kind of a secret number. How can we generate a secret number in Python? We will learn that down the line. But right now, let's assume this original number is such a secret number that we don't know what it is, right? We'll be using while loop in it. We'll be using if-else conditions in it. We might be using break statement as well. These are the hints. Now, how to implement it? That's your job. Go ahead and try to do it at your end.